Looked like it was like a fruit roll-up at first. Then I grabbed it, and it wasn't a fruit roll-up. It was hard. Then it flaked apart like that, and it was just sand. Hi!
Hello! Welcome to the Jordan and Jazz Show.
Yeah, welcome to the show. So, today, we're gonna do one of these boxes. So, you're probably asking, what the heck is this box? So, this box is from this company called universalyums.com. Don't know if you can read that. It popped up on my Instagram feed as an ad. So, basically how it works is, it's like a subscription service, and every month, they'll send you like a box of snacks from a different country. So, I love to eat stuff. You love to eat stuff too. So, and you love different countries. I like different countries too. So this seemed like the perfect thing to do. So signed up for this. So now this box is actually the Christmas box, and it comes from everywhere. So it's February and we're gonna open this box, even though we were supposed to probably open it in December, but whatever, let's get into it. So
wait, before we open it,
okay.
What country do you think this box is?
Well, if you would look, it says everywhere. So I think that it probably comes from everywhere. You see how they have different pictures of things from different countries?
You don't know what any of these places are.
Paris.
That's the only one you know. Because it has the Eiffel
Please stop
Tower.
talking to me.
Don't be aggressive. Don't be aggressive. I'm showing up what the inside of the box is.
Alright.
But this is what it looks like when you first open up the box.
There's a little paper that comes in there, and it just has like some information about whatever country it's from. Of course, like I said, this one is from everywhere, so you know, it says it's the most yum-derful time of the year. Isn't that funny? Yum-derful time of the year. Oh, okay, so this thing, okay, so they send you this too, the Yum Awards. So it's called the official Yum Awards. So after you finish tasting everything, then you get to like rank your favorite stuff. So best, second best, worst, and then weirdest. So we'll do that after. Confused?
Alright. What is this?
It's
I'm
a
taking
book.
you on a holiday adventure. Oh, I guess this is just like tells
Information
you
about those countries, maybe?
This tells you about the different kind of snacks that's in this box. Alright. Let's get into the snacks. Snacks on Jim.
Alright, first up. I don't know where this is from. I have no clue where this is from, but it's
It's from Spain. It says product of Spain on it.
Reading is essential, huh?
Product of Spain.
Product of Spain, so it's probably from Spain. These are raspberry chips.
It's interesting.
Raspberry chips. So, let's see.
Be calm down. Calm down.
Smells good.
Yeah, I'd rub that on my body. Let me get a chip.
I'm trying to give it to you. You pay attention?
I'm gonna taste it at the
Cheers.
same time.
I don't taste any raspberry. It's just like a regular plain Lay's.
I love this chip.
This is good, right?
I can eat this with my meals.
Chip for Koopy.
You don't like raspberries.
We'll see. Oh, I taste a little bit of raspberry at the end. This is good. Okay, no, I'm not gonna get another one. Okay. Next, do you choose
Let me
one?
pick next.
Alright.
Next, we're gonna go with this chip bag right here. It's called Poulet Braise, a product of France.
I was thinking it might be cheddar. The bag is orange.
I'm just playing. The chips are tiny.
Oh, are they all tiny?
Alright, come on. Come on, Jack.
I get this tiny
All,
fragment
most of
of
them
a
are
chip.
tiny. This is the biggest one in the bag. Come on.
Man, whatever. I hate it.
You didn't even give it a chance.
I know when I taste something if I like it or not, and I do not like that. I don't know what that flavor is.
You gotta eat another one.
No, I don't.
It's not that bad.
Next, let's do the salted field sticks, shall we? So there's a picture of garlic and maybe a string bean on here.
This is not gonna be good.
We'll see.
The flavor is garlic and onion. Get into it. Not wasting no time, Koopy. They look like,
please move your.
they just look like little
face.
pretzel sticks.
Thank you.
Could we please sit down? You're not getting one. Wait, look inside. You can see where it's filled. Yeah. Let's eat.
You're a loser. I love this.
I hate this. It has no flavor at all.
It tastes like garlic and onion and pretzels. This is delicious. That's
Well, I don't like pretzels.
really. Sucks to be you.
If I had something to dip this in, like some cheese, it might bust. But since I don't, I'm gonna have to give it like a C, 5.
That was harsh. That was harsh.
C,
Yeah.
5. I get a C and a half.
Get this big thing out of the way, shall we? Gingerbread with natural blackcurrant flavored icing. You don't like gingerbread, do you?
I don't mind gingerbread.
Where'd I get
Show
that?
them the pack.
No. This is the package here. Is it shaped like little hearts?
Mm-hmm.
That's so cute.
Could we get our snacks?
Okay. So this sounds like it'll be sweet gingerbread, which I love. Blackcurrant. Don't know what that is, but I'm open to trying new things. This is a big thing though. Shoot.
I
It's
can't.
cute.
do that
Yeah,
whole
we're just gonna
thing.
split it. It's a little heart. Isn't that cute?
Heart for Jimmy.
You want a Lady in the Tramp?
No.
Suck.
We're supposed to break a piece off. Don't chew it. Don't taste it. You hate it? I hate this.
Yeah. That's a fail. Throw it back in here. Don't eat it anymore. Stop looking at it like.
Whenever I taste something new, I can say I don't like it the first time, but I always gotta get that one extra bite to see if I truly don't like it. So
You don't trust yourself. I don't know where you came from, but you need to go back.
it's the icing that makes it taste like that.
Yeah,
But once you get
blackcurrant.
past the icing, it's okay. Ooh, this has a dip. This might be good.
How you know what I did?
Look at it. Oh, never mind. I don't want to taste that next. Next, we will try
This is
Smoke 'em Up Roasted Almonds Premium Milk Chocolate.
Oh, it's like an almond joy.
I know.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna lose my
I
mind.
know. An almond joy.
Yeah, I love almond joys.
An almond joy. Where is this from? Oh, this is from Germany. You love Germany.
I want to love Germany.
I feel like I'm opening a Willy Wonka chocolate bar for my golden ticket. Want to break yourself a little piece?
You'd love to break me off a piece of that.
Break me off a piece of that.
It's
Smoke
so
'em
welcome.
up. Alright, let's go for it. I love this.
No, almond joy.
It tastes like
It's good.
a mixture of Bunch of Crunch
Mm-hmm.
and Hershey's with the almonds in it.
Mm-hmm.
It's a
Not bad.
perfect mixture too. Are you tasting your chocolate?
Yeah, there's no.
Me and Jazz went to a chocolate tasting class. We know how to taste chocolate. Let it melt a little bit in your hands to get it a nice texture inside. Yeah.
My turn. Okay, funny little box here. Jabri mixed baklava.
Where's it from?
I don't know.
Oh, it's from Jorn. It's a
Hey!
product. It's a product of Jorn.
From
This is
Jordan.
my product. You're welcome.
Thank you. It'll probably taste disgusting.
No, I know how to make snacks.
You tell me what your snack is.
I'm not telling you.
Introduce your snack.
This is mixed baklava.
Tell me a little bit about what baklava is.
This is one of our most popular snacks.
What's baklava?
So yeah, have a little taste of my own.
Koopy, can you say cap? Can you say big cap? Oh, it comes in a cute little. You open it up and it's little parchment paper. I'm not even talking to you, so please stop. It's little parchment paper in here. And
That's
then
how we like to package our goods.
And then you open it.
It's a nice little design, isn't it?
They put the little pastries here, and there's a little bird nest in the middle. with your pistachio.
Yep.
Let's get to tasting. There's no neat way to do this. They're all stuck together.
Koopy, do not eat anything.
2, 3, ding. I don't hate it.
It's very moist.
It is good.
It tastes like the crust of a grandma's apple pie
Yeah, it's sweet.
with like honey or something on top.
Maybe.
But it's like a sandwich with nuts in the middle. I might love it.
It's not what I expected. I would never pick this out in a store to eat.
You would if you lived in Jordan. Next, we are going to try Nubilate Crema Americana. This is from Uruguay. I've been to Uruguay, Jay. I just got back from Uruguay.
You did not just get back from Uruguay.
I got back from Uruguay in May.
Okay, so Jordan's a world traveler. Okay, Jordan's been to China, and Jordan's been to Argentina, and Jordan's been to Uruguay. And any opportunity he gets, he will tell you that he's been to all of these places. He got
I was thinking that this looked familiar too.
You know you ain't never seen that. You big fat liar. You need to stop. Open the doggone snack.
No, this is. Remember I told you about the Alpha Whores?
Yeah.
This is one of those. They had
really?
all those Argentina
Nice.
and Uruguay. I know about these countries.
Open
man.
it, please.
I'm fan too.
I don't have time to stroke your ego today.
I already know exactly what it's gonna taste like.
So throw it in the trash. Let's move on to something.
Here, have a little bite. Remember I bought you a box of these when I got back.
Yes.
Yeah. What do you think?
Just as you remember.
Nope. The ones that I had when I was there, they the filling was thicker than that.
Not bad. I like it. Alright. Next. We have this fun thing here.
You can't even read it.
I can't read it at all. What was that, Japanese? It's from an Asian country. That I know for sure. Want to say Japanese, but don't want to be ignorant. So,
Why don't you just look at the box? Let's see.
can I read it? Dang, it's my turn. You tell me what you can read here. Nothing.
I've been to.
You ain't been to Japan.
You don't know this is Japan.
I know this is Japan.
How do you know?
So you can't read it unless you read this language. But on the cookie, there's a cookie here, and it has pretzels, caramel, peanuts, almonds, and a little whipped cream thing, I'm assuming. So I think it's a little cookie with that stuff in there.
Oh, they're all individually packaged.
I'm not gonna like this.
How you know?
They're too flaky.
Oh, I thought it was like a little sandwich.
Yeah, I thought it was too. It's not.
So this is what it looks like in a little baggie.
Coop, please.
Could we please stop blowing all over our snacks? You don't like this?
I don't know.
It is a sandwich.
It's really flaky. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Like a little Oreo.
It is. A thin Oreo, kind of.
I love thin Oreos. I think I might actually love this. We'll see.
We'll see.
Could be calm down. The cracker's really sweet. It tastes like whipped cream.
This isn't bad. I like this.
I love this. Not too sweet, not too salty from the pretzel, but I can still taste the pretzel in it. I can also taste the mixture of nuts and whipped cream. It's very good.
Yes, it is. It's delicious. Well, good job to you, Mr. Ito. That was delish. All right.
This is the one that I put down earlier because I didn't know.
You don't know. You're not a good judgment of character. Judge of character.
We're going to try next a product of Switzerland.
Ooh.
Alpine nut cake. Boom.
Whoa! What? Say it again.
Boom. Let's see what they're talking about though. Could we please? It's a little cake. Could we please? Have yourself a little bite. Please.
Oh, it's hard. I don't know why I expected it to be
I
soft.
bet you it's gonna be soft on the inside. I bet you.
Yeah, I can feel at the bottom it's soft.
You hate it?
There's stuff on the inside.
You can tell by this is stuff on the
I
inside.
didn't look at the picture.
Okay.
Oh, it doesn't taste bad. But it doesn't taste like anything.
It's not bad.
Yeah, I don't think it's bad either. I just don't. There's not a lot of flavor. Alright, next. Alright, Taralli con semi di finocchio. Baked, not fried. Savory rings with fennel seeds.
There you
Is that
go.
far
I was
enough
waiting
for
for you to do that too.
Alright, don't know what a fennel seed is, but
You don't know what a fennel seed is?
what's that?
It's a seed that grows in the ground, but it grows like this.
You don't know.
It's a very.
You just-
They don't really have them here like
Be
that.
quiet, Jordan. Stop talking. Ring for you. Ring for me. Boop. Man, I gave it a minute too. The answer is no. Fennel seeds, I do not like you. I need a glass of water.
I do need a glass of water.
This is so dry.
This makes my throat
It tastes
very
bad.
dry. We should have brought something to clear our palates.
Yeah. Too late now, but we know for next time.
Usually I would take a second bite, but I can't take a second bite of this. Alright, next.
That's gonna be good. It's a fruit roll up.
No, it's not.
It's not wrong.
It looks like a bath bomb. It's called Goldilocks.
Oh my crumbs.
This is from the Philippines, and it is a shortbread. I know.
What did you gave it to him?
No, he must have just took it.
Coop, you steal?
Coop doesn't like fennel seed. There's no way. Have a taste. It's hard too. Why did you grab it so hard? Why did you grab it so hard?
I was squeezing it to see what
Why?
it felt like.
Why?
And then it exploded.
Why'd you squeeze it so hard?
I was squeezing it to see you.
So aggressive with everything.
And I hate it.
It hates
After
you
all
too,
of that, I
Jen.
hate it.
Oh, it's softer than I thought it would be.
I was trying to figure out how hard it was. How soft
This
it was.
doesn't.
It doesn't
It feels like I'm eating.
sand.
Yeah.
It tastes like sand.
I hate this.
Yeah.
It gets worse.
Stop biting
I
it!
don't want
Okay.
Got it all over the couch too.
Well, that's what a vacuum cleaner is for, isn't it? Well, this is guaranteed to be good. Bianca Belgian Chocolate. Alright, Bianca. Oh my gosh, you know what I want to do? It comes in a bar like this.
That's
I
a
wanna-
Willy Wonka bar.
I want to do the SpongeBob. You remember he stuck it in his mouth? And then he went, and like it was the strand
Please don't do
chocolate.
that.
Do you know what I'm talking about?
No.
I'm gonna find a gift. That's what I'm tempted to do.
Your
because-
teeth are strong. They can do that.
Exactly, because I have to share with people.
Your teeth big and strong.
You can't do that because your teeth strong, small and weak. So
And they
shut your
efficient, too.
stupid mouth, please.
I love the coloring on this. It says white chocolate, but it's like a little brown to it.
It's good.
I love this. It tastes like the chocolate version of Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
It does. It does. You're right. This is very good. You're right. This is a chocolate bar. But if chocolate and Cinnamon Toast Crunch got together, made a baby, it'd be this. All right.
Let's get into the next. I don't know what's gonna be my favorite, Jay. I had too many good ones.
Did you?
But I also had too many bad ones, so I don't know if it's gonna be all work.
We'll see.
Well, the last one we're going to try is Tortennecken. Feinst Waffel Schweizertaten. Site 1920. This is from, I know it's a European country.
Mm-hmm. We already had Germany, right?
We had something from Germany.
No, I guess they wouldn't put two Germans in there. Look it up. What's it called?
Tortennecken.
Tortennecken. Austria.
Oh, I wasn't thinking that at all. It's waffles with apple and cinnamon flavored cream filling.
Okay. Is it a Kit Kat? Practically.
Oh. I think you rip it.
Literally a Kit Kat.
It's like a little sandwich.
Triangle.
All right, let's taste it. Tastes like
Very apple.
I told you. It tastes like
Granny Smith.
it's very appley.
Mm-hmm. I like it, though.
They nailed the apple
Yeah, they were
aspect of
playing with
this
that.
treat.
I wanted to hate this because I don't like Kit Kats. I don't like this wafer thing.
Kit Kats aren't like this.
Yes,
Oh,
it is.
Kit Kats are like this, but they got chocolate on top.
Yeah. But this isn't bad.
It's good.
That's enough for me. Well, what a box we had. I'm covered in crumbs, and I'm disgusted, and I'm full.
You're full
Just
of
about.
snacks.
Off snacks. The official Yum Awards. The best snack, Jordan, in your opinion.
My favorite's either gonna be the white cinnamon chocolate cookie chocolate from Belgium, or them chips that we started with, Jess.
Yeah, I would have to say that my favorite is these raspberry chips. I'm a savory girl,
Those are good.
so that was good.
It was
for me.
savory with a hint of sweet.
Yes, I understand that. I ate the chips too. My second best, I'm gonna give it up to maybe the apple Kit Kat.
Are you serious?
I don't know. I
You liked it that much?
I liked it. It was very good. That's my second best.
That's what you get.
For what?
We'll talk about how much you hate Kit Kats.
What is your second best, Jordan?
Second best is gonna be the chocolate. This one, the white
chocolate?
cinnamon
Nice.
chocolate cookie
Okay.
chocolate.
My worst is that lentil disaster.
That's probably not my worst.
What?
My worst is the purple shortbread from the
Oh,
Philippines.
yeah. I don't know. I still get worse.
It was
to
like
that.
eating flavored sand.
No,
literally.
Honestly.
Or like a snack that's literally old gum that you're just chewing on. It's all broken up and soggy.
I actually give that my weirdest, though.
Oh, I forgot there's a weirdest category.
I'll give that my weirdest. It looked like it was like a fruit roll-up at first. Then I grabbed it, and it wasn't a fruit roll-up. It was hard. Then it flaked apart like that. And it was just sand. And then you chewed it, and it was like flavorless gum that's been chewed on for days.
People from the Philippines are gonna be
Yeah,
mad
sorry,
when they watch this.
people from the Philippines, but I hate your snack. It was terrible.
We didn't eat this.
What?
What is saltas?
Skimped? Oh, this thing. The pretzels! We did eat the pretzels. I like the pretzels. The pretzels.
Actually, I'm gonna switch my weirdest to the shortbread, and my worst to. That might have been the only one that I really just didn't like. From looking at this list, everything was pretty good. I didn't really like the pretzels.
But was it your worst? Alright, people. Well, thank you for tuning in today in February to watch our December Christmas box. Hope you enjoyed. We enjoyed. I'm gonna go brush my teeth now because I really need to do it again after eating all this.
Well, yeah, thank y'all for watching. If you have any snacks or anything like that that you think we should try that's unique or anything like that,
let us know.
let us know in the comments.
Yeah, we love trying new stuff, so definitely let us know. But
I guess we can put the information for this stuff in the description.
Yeah.
Down below.
So I can leave the link to the website, and I think on who is this? Universal Yums. They have like the links to purchase each item individually if y'all want to do that. So I can leave that information in the little description box so y'all can go try these snacks yourself if you choose to do so. But thank you for tuning in today, and we will see you next time.
Stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, share.
All that good stuff. All right, peace out.
Gucci.
Girl Scout.